It's the exact same problem I face when I'm talking to people about remote talent. And it's about expectations. When people hear remote talent, invariably, I have to train them to ask and demand more. I'm like the one company you'll find that demands their clients to have higher expectations and not lower expectations. And I did it just today. I said, listen, the person that were telling me about human capital and what they needed kept on like, well, it would be nice if there were all these conditions that were like them walking away from their standard. I said, stop doing that. I want you to want more. I want you to ask for more. I want you to demand more. I want you to ask for everything you could possibly want, because you're the one that's holding this back, because you don't know how to operate in a world of abundance. They're operating from a world of scarcity. In the world of AI, it's exactly the same thing, in the sense that people expect it to be less good. People tell themselves why it's not going to work. If they're not working with it every single day, they don't understand how agentic AI works. They can't make those connections. They can't imagine it.